Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. If you're having trouble with enabling your two-factor authentication on Instagram, don't worry, I'll tell you the steps on how you can do it. Open your Instagram app, then go to your profile and click on the three-line icon on the top right of your phone. Then go to account center and then password and security. Now you'll see the option of two-factor authentication. Now choose the account you want to do it for. Next, choose how you want to receive your notification. Get one-time codes from such apps such as Duo Mobile or Google, or SMS or WhatsApp. Next, a code will be sent in your device. It may take up to a minute for you to receive your code, but after you get your code, just enter your code in the enter code option, then your two-factor authentication will be enabled on your phone. I hope this video helped you guys, and that's it. This is how you guys can enable your two-factor authentication mode on your device. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button and that subscribe button. Do not forget to comment on my video. Thank you all so much for watching.